front to back and I done ate it.
Alright, y'all, today is the day. These ice skates is coming off. Going with the straight big boys on the back. 315s going on the back. These 275s is officially coming off. There's barely any tread really left on it. Yeah, coming off. Try to remember how this car looked from the back with these 275s on it. I'm finna go completely triple the size, 315 on the back. This is how it look right now at the 275. That's with the 275 on the back. We finna go 315 on the back, man. Yes, sir. Little tread left, probably finna burn that out. Y'all finna see the complete difference on how it's gonna look. These are 275s in the back right now, just to let y'all know. We going 315 in the back. Getting them bad boys cooking off right now. Them things are straight hard right now. There's pretty much no tread on them right now. Finna get them fresh Nittos on here. Please see what's going on. We putting the big boys on. Hey, shout out to Salinas Tire Shop, man. You want to come get you some good tire work done, rims, anything, right here, Salinas Tire. It's in La Puente. I'm gonna put their address down below. But, man, they do great work. Come up here and ask for Raw. He's gonna get you right. For real, for real. Eee. The big boys is going on. Got them big boys going on. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. This is what you call big boy tires right here. Go big or go home, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, now, to me, these tires look amazing. I want to give y'all an example of how they kind of stick out from the back. It actually looked better. I thought it was gonna be sticking out way more than what it is, but it looks really good. Like, I'm telling y'all, 315s is the way to go. On your Scat Pack. I'm gonna give y'all some videos too to show y'all, like, the hooking now is just way better. It's hooking damn near like how I was hooking in my V6. That shit is crazy. Got the 255 Pirelli Scorpions in the front. 315 Nittos into 555s in the back. That's how you doing right there. Right here. mistake. That's how I look kind of from far away. That offset, that stagger is nice, man. Look at that. Ooh. This is a 392 shaker, by the way. Check him out. Yes, sir.